Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me in this video. I'm at a very important event for the EV infrastructure in Eastern Europe. Now I'm in Romania near Pitești, where the Dacia plant is, but this event is related to EV charging, not to car manufacturing. And this location in Romania is the first one to have the charger called Moon Alpitronic Hypercharger 1000. So this is the most powerful charging location in Romania to date. It can deliver up to 1 megawatt in terms of power to the vehicle with dedicated connector for trucks, the MCS connector. The station, the charging unit and the charging satellites are not equipped right now with the 1 megawatt cable, because there are no trucks that can charge with 1 megawatt in Romania or in Europe yet. But the unit itself, the hardware, it is able to deliver 1 megawatt on one single connector. Right now the configuration of the modules is with 600 kilowatts per each CCS connector, and it is able to make the power split between vehicles in increments of around 62 or 63 kilowatts if needed.